Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I am going to talk about detoxifying the body. I know the new year is coming up. People are starting on their new diets. They're probably going vegan, vegetarians, alkaline. Whatever diet you pick, you need to start off by detoxing yourself and getting ready, so when you do step into this new journey of whatever it is in 2018 that you set for yourself, you will have a clean slate. So if you want to know 2 methods of detoxifying your body and which one that I use and would recommend, then just keep watching. The title of this is Chlorella versus Cmos. What are the benefits of chlorella? This website is drax.com. Its food is medicine. And what I liked about his website is that he did all the research, and he even put the research papers down below where you could access them. Now, I also went and did my own research along with it, so I was able to verify everything that he was saying. And pretty much it's true. I have no objections to what he is saying as far as the benefits of chlorella. So the first benefit is it detoxifies heavy metals. If you have mercury fillings in your teeth, have been vaccinated, eat fish regularly, have been exposed to radiation, or consume foods from China, you may have heavy metals lurking in your body. It is important for your overall health and wellness to be proactive in detoxing heavy metals and toxins. Detoxifies radiation and chemotherapy. Radiation therapy and chemotherapy are the most common forms of cancer treatments today. Anyone who has gone through either of these treatments or knows anyone who has knows what a toll they take on the body. Chlorella's high levels of chlorophyll have been shown to protect the body against ultraviolet radiation treatments while removing radioactive particles from the body. It also supports your immune system. Basically, the results show that chlorella supports a healthy immune system response and helps natural killer cell activity. It promotes weight loss. I don't think I need to read this. I mean, we know pretty much weight loss. It promotes weight loss. 5, it makes you look younger. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Laboratory revealed that chlorella greatly reduces oxidative stress that can be caused from pollution, stress, and a poor diet, which in return, that will make your skin look younger. Chlorella also have nutrients that eliminate free radicals and protect your cells. So that keeps you from aging. Number 6, it fights cancer. That all human bodies at some time develop cancer cells. Properly functioning immune systems have the ability to attack and destroy these cells before they have the chance to take hold and create cancer. So that is what chlorella does. It sets up your immune system and gives it the ability to fight and attack and destroy cancerous cells that your body will normally create anyway. So number 7, it lowers your blood sugar and cholesterol. So type 2 diabetes and high cholesterol are 2 of the serious chronic conditions facing many Americans today. Years of improper eating, stress, and lack of sleep have led to one or both of these diagnoses. Researchers observed first a decline in cholesterol levels and then the improvement in blood glucose. They believe that chlorella activates a number of genes at the cellular level that improve insulin sensitivity, encouraging a healthy balance. So this website is alkalinelifestyle.com. Number 1, it is alkaline, so that's a good thing. You know, we want to, with all the foods that we are eating nowadays, they are more prone to the acidic side. We need to shift our bodies back to the alkaline side and fall within a balance. Now, the one thing that I don't like about the alkaline diet, it pushes you 100% to the alkaline side. I believe firmly now that you need to be balanced at a certain number, which I believe is 7.4, which is a little alkaline. Being on either of the extremes is too much. you need to balance. This superfood contains 65% protein. It's rich in vitamin B12. So if people out there that I do know, you have vitamin B12 deficiency, this is very, very, very good for vitamin B12. It normalizes blood pressure, stimulates the production of red blood cells, which we've talked about that. It's an excellent detoxifier, said that. Normalizes cholesterol, we said that. Rich in magnesium, of course. Chlorella growth factor, that's to help boost the immune system, which we said that. And promotes digestion, which we pretty much said that. But the only thing I wanted to point out here really is that it is alkaline. So that's for everybody who's on the alkaline kick, you know that this is alkaline if you choose to go this route. So in order to pick the correct type of chlorella, it needs to be non-GMO and have a broken cell wall. And the broken cell wall, it just makes it completely absorbable so by your body. So picture it like a Pac-Man. The Pac-Man comes in, eats the toxin, and basically it'll just easily flow out of your body. So that's why you want the cell wall to be broken. So now the benefits of Cmos. The benefits of Cmos is the exact same as chlorella. Everything is the same. This website is instah.com, and it just lists the 10 benefits of Irish moss or sea moss, whichever word you're familiar with. It's the same thing though. Here they show the nutritional value of sea moss. So far we're looking mirror image of chlorella here. So cures anemia is the first one. Source of energy, thyroid disorders. So the sea moss also has a large amount of selenium that helps in producing the thyroid hormone. It also promotes the function of thyroid and improves your metabolism and aids in quick weight loss. So of course we read that about the chlorella. It will do the exact same thing. They just did not word it the same way. Relieves respiratory problems. Well, that has to deal with your immune system. The chlorella will do the same thing. Boosts mental health. Here it says it also helps you to get a good relief from anxiety disorders, depression, fibromyalgia. Boosts your mental health by removing heavy metals from your body. So chlorella does that as well. You don't have things weighing you down, you can think. Promotes recovery. So basically when people go and work out, this is good to have after you work out because it'll help you heal, after you put a lot of stress on your muscles. Improves skin health, therefore makes you look younger. Aids in quick digestion, helps in weight loss, prevent radiation poisoning. So when you're comparing the two side by side, both chlorella and Cmos have the exact same effects. But the question is, which one is better? And in my opinion, Cmos is better because it is naturally found in nature. Chlorella is a hybrid. Now, I'm not saying that chlorella is GMO. GMO and hybrid are two different ballparks. So, due to that fact alone, Cmos would be the better alternative. Well, guys, as you see there are two methods right there for you. Chlorella, which is this right here. And as I said, with the chlorella, it is a hybrid. It is hybrid. I'm not saying it's GMO. Let's separate the two. Hybrid means that a man put these two plants together so they could probably change the temperature or what have it, so chlorella could grow. When I talk about hybrids, it puts me in the mind of when you say a black parent and a white parent come together, they have a child, and their child is mixed. Hybrid that child is not any different from anybody else. Just because, so that hybridization, that's pretty much what it is. I mean, it's still functioning and it's still working. Now, GMO, that's a whole different ballpark. This is non-GMO. And even on the ingredient label, it says non-GMO. And like I said earlier, you need to pick the kind that has the broken cell wall, because that makes it absorbable for your body. You do not want the cell to be unbroken, because then nothing will happen. You're just wasting time, effort, and energy. With any other detox, I felt the same symptoms with this. Actually, to be honest, I felt better because I did it energy level. I felt like I had more energy, and I felt like my mind was sharper now that I have been taking this. So even though it is a hybrid and it's not naturally found in the wild, I still do recommend this, because I've seen diets, alkaline diets, that have hybrids still on them, and they still talk highly about it. So let's not even go there. But yes, I do recommend these if you don't mind that it is a hybrid. Now, on the other hand, we have the Cmos, or Cmos, Irish moss. Now, this is what I prefer. This is what I will be doing. You want Irish moss or Cmos. That is the label that you want. And it's raw. I mean, this is nature. You can find this. Go to the sea and you can find this. It is natural. It is not a hybrid. It's produced on its own, and that's why I stand so highly. But as said in the video, both of these have the exact same properties, the exact same effects on your health. You can't go wrong. One of them is not natural, it's a hybrid. One of them is natural, and you can find it in the sea. Basically, when it comes to you, it literally have rocks from the sea. I'll have both of these links in the description box below. As always, if you like these type of videos, please give it a thumbs up. All links to papers, to the websites I went to, will be in the description box below. Any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. I do anything health related, one video a week. And as always, until next time, peace, love, and happy thoughts. Bye.